tomato pickle. At first, while preparing rapoto, we brought some heavy flour, we added water and some salt, and we'll mixture. We prepared our wrapping dough and left it for some times to dry, and then we went to prepare our chicken mixture. We first brought our chicken and minced it. Later on, we added some spring onion, salt, pepper, seasoning, and then after mixing for some time, we added some MSG on it as per our taste, and then we left it, and again we went back to prepare our tomato pickle. Where we first we did fine chop of our tomato. We added onion, spring onion, MSG, soy sauce, white sesame seeds, and then we brought our frying pan and we cooked oil for a few minutes, and we cooked our oil and added our onion for some times, and then later on we added our ginger paste, and then we put our tomato oil. After adding ginger paste on tomato, we cooked it for some time to take out the water from it, and then after heating for some time, we added our soy sauce, fenugreek, and then we cooked it for some time. When our pickle was ready, then we came back to make our momo to prepare momo, where we at first prepare a wrapper dough and add a mixture on it and give its shape, and then we put it on our steamer by giving some oil on the steamer, and then we left it for cooking up to 12 minutes, and then later on where our pickle was ready, we let it to be cold for some time, and then later we blend it on our blender, and our chicken momo is ready with tomato pickle.